Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be filming a video where I am going to turn myself into what my star sign thinks I should look like. Let me explain. I actually came up with this idea last Christmas and it's taken me this long to finally film it, but I received this little book from my best friend for Christmas. It's like a little zodiac sign, star sign, whatever you want to call it, astrology book, and it has a section in it called Do You Look Like an Aries? Obviously I got an Aries one because I'm an Aries, and I remember reading it and thinking, I look nothing like an Aries. I actually don't look like what it says. So I thought it would be fun if I turned myself into what my star sign thinks I should look like. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. I feel like someone has probably done this video before, so I'm gonna have a good look and I'll link them in the description box if they have. But yeah, I'm just gonna get on with it. Let's see what a typical Aries should look like. I swear I should have found it. Oh, I found it. Anyway, it says your sign rules the head and some of you have a telltale frown between the eyes. I thought that was kind of interesting and I thought I could do some very like bold arched eyebrows. It feels like I'm reading you a story, like story time with Sophie. Once upon a time. It's so cute. Red is your colour, so I've done red nails and I'm going to do a red lipstick as well. Aries suits red hair or hair that has a reddish tinge to it, so I've got a wig complete with sun-kissed freckles, so I'm going to be doing some fake freckles which I've never tried before. The classic Aries has a sharp profile and angular features. Look for high cheekbones, so I'm going to do a very like contoured cheekbony look, a prominent nose, which I've already got, and a direct fixed gaze. Your tendency to leap headfirst into life and your love of speed combined with your fearless nature. I am not a true Aries. Fearless nature? That is not me. Can mean you end up getting into scrapes. You'll wear a burn or scar with pride, especially if there's a daring or hilarious tale attached to it. So I'm not going to go sticking a scar to myself, like, no. But I do have one actually. I do have one. Does it have a daring tale attached to it? I think it's quite heroic actually. It's quite heroic. So I have a scar on my wrist. It's currently surrounded by scratches from my cat. Oh my goodness, this is like the area where animals attack me. I don't know if you can see it, but I do have a scar on my wrist. It was actually done by my guinea pig when I was about 15 years old. Both of the guinea pigs were fighting like pretty bad, so I reached in like the hero that I am and I tried to separate them and the other one latched onto my wrist. Quite bad. I won't go into detail because it's not very nice, but I had to go to A&E and I've been scarred for life, I think. So thanks guinea pig, love ya. And then for clothes it says a classic cut suits you best and frilly feminine clothes are out. I mean that's okay because most of my clothes are not very feminine or very frilly. Maybe I could go for a very like suit looking thing, like a blazer and some smart trousers and a shirt. I feel like that's like a classic cut. Do you know what I mean? And I have read before that an Aries dress is kind of masculine, so I feel like that could work for that kind of vibe. You look great in a hat, so I guess I'm gonna have to wear a hat, although that's not gonna go with that outfit. You can get away with most hairstyles, although straight hair or a short dramatic cut tends to suit you best. I'm just gonna go for straight hair. I'm gonna straighten the wig as much as I can. And then it also says piercings and tattoos are common for Aries, so I'm gonna whack out the fake piercings and the fake tattoos, and yeah, I'm just going to transform myself into something like that, which is apparently a true Aries. So as you can tell, don't really look like me, but yeah, I'm really excited. Let's get on with it. I'm trying to decide where to begin. I think I need to do the freckles first because you've got to put them under your foundation, haven't you? So for my fake freckles, I've got this Lottie London freckle tint. I have never tried this. It could look terrible, but I'm going to give this a try. I think I've done it right. I don't really know. Have I done too many? Well, it doesn't matter. Everyone is different. Everyone has a different amount of freckles. I'm hoping that when I put the foundation on top, they don't all disappear. I'm hoping they'll kind of like peek through a little bit. But yeah, first I'm just gonna let this dry. Moon's just looking at me like, what are you doing? He has such a judgy face sometimes. He's just like, do I look cute though? I feel like on a lot of people, freckles look so cute, but on me, I'm not so sure. Okay, they're finally dry, so it's time for me to put a bit of foundation on the top. I'm really worried it's just going to cover them up. I'm going to use my Maybelline Superstay. I haven't used this in ages because it doesn't normally match me, but I don't know if you've noticed, I haven't got any fake tan on today. I just couldn't be bothered, so I am my natural skin tone, so I'm going to be using this. Oh no, I've taken so long faffing about that my sponge is dried. Can I be bothered to go and wet it again? Not really. Okay, the moment of truth. Are they going to show through? Oh, they are. That looks good. Do any of you guys believe in the whole astrology stuff and star signs and horoscopes, or do you think it's a load of rubbish? Because I know some people think it's a load of rubbish, but I don't know, I just like that kind of thing. I like to hope that it's true. I'm just gonna add a bit of the Revolution concealer. I'm gonna pop a bit under my eyes and try not to get it on my freckles. And then of course a bit of Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I am looking so pale. It's been a while since I looked this pale on camera because I'm always tan normally. And the light is really washing me out right now. I look so pasty. First drop of the day. I'm gonna go and do my eyebrows next. I'm gonna do them off camera because I just really want them to go well. So I'll be back in a sec with hopefully some kind of, probably just gonna look like my normal eyebrows, but maybe just a little bit more arched. So yeah, are you ready? Ow! 3, 2, 1. Definitely not my best eyebrows. I feel like they look quite messy, but they're quite bold, they're quite arched. I guess they do kind of make it look like I'm frowning a bit. So those are my eyebrows done. I'm now gonna move on to like my bronzer and contour. And like I said, I'm gonna do quite a bit of contour because it said something about cheekbones. I'm gonna take the Revolution Pro Sculpt and Glow Contour and Highlight palette, and I'm gonna contour and highlight with it. No. So yeah, I've just done a very contoured look. Maybe I've done a little bit too much, but it's fine. It said I've got to have some cheekbones, and I definitely do now. So that is my contour done. I'm now just gonna add a little bit of blush. And this is the L'Oreal Life to Peach blush. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna take the Revolution Sculpt and Glow again, and obviously use the highlighter side. It didn't say anything about eyes apart from my fixed gaze, which what am I meant to do about that? I'm just gonna put a load of mascara on and that will be my eyes done. I think I'm just gonna do mascara on my top lashes. I don't normally do that, but I feel like with this makeup look, it just looks quite nice having it only on the top. So that is my mascara done. I'm now just gonna do my lips, and like I said, Aries color is mainly red. So I've got the red nails and I'm gonna do a red lip. This is MAC's lipstick in Ruby Woo. It is just a matte red color, so I'm just gonna pop that on. I don't know when I last put a red lipstick. They smell amazing. Oh my God, I forgot how amazing they smell. I don't remember the last time I put a red lipstick on. Probably around Christmas. Like, I am feeling really Christmassy right now. No, I was gonna say it's not long. It's quite a while, isn't it? It's like 3 months till December. But also that scares me because it's like, where did this year go? Is it me, or was this the quickest year ever? Oh, nice and dried out. I've had this for quite a while. So this is my makeup done. I'm actually so happy with it. I think it looks really nice. I think it looks really pretty. It's got that like pretty soft kind of look to it. Do you know what I mean? So this is just a little close up of the makeup and in natural light. Doesn't it look nice? Like, I don't know if I'm tooting my own horn too much here, but I just feel like it looks nice. I don't normally think I look nice, so it's not often this happens, but I just think it looks quite pretty. I might have to do my makeup like this more often. I think I will. Yeah, that is my makeup done. I'm now gonna move on to some fake tattoos because it said a typical Aries will probably have tattoos and piercings. So I'm gonna go into my little stash of temporary tattoos and I'm gonna just stick on maybe just some on my wrist or on my hand or something like that. Okay, I'm back. I've just put a few tattoos on my wrist. I don't know if it looks any good. Those were kind of the only nice ones left in the pack, I'm not gonna lie. So I've got a sun, a star and a moon just in this weird cluster. I don't know. I'm not very good at tattoo placements, but I thought that would do. They're only temporary, so it doesn't matter. And then I also put this little arrow on my finger, which I actually think looks really cute. It's a bit wonky, but I think it looks quite cute. So yeah, I'll show you guys a close-up. I don't even know if you can see. So this is just a little close-up of the wrist tattoo, and then this is what the finger one looks like. Yeah, it's really wonky, isn't it? But I don't know, I quite like it. I think they do look really cute. So for piercings, I've got these little fake hoop things that I've used in a video before. I don't know what I'm gonna go for. Do I go for a nose piercing or a lip piercing? I think I'm just gonna go for the nose piercing because I've done a lip piercing in a video before, so we'll go for a nose one this time. I now need to move on to my outfit. So like I said, a typical Aries dresses in a kind of like masculine style. It's very like clean cut. It just kind of reminds me, oh, you're right there, love. So I'm gonna go for some smart trousers, a blazer and a shirt. And I'm gonna try and make some kind of suity looking smart thing. I might have got this completely wrong, but this is the kind of thing that came to mind. It's just kind of like smart but casual. So I've gone for a white shirt and then some black trousers. And then I've also got a blazer as well. It's just a black oversized blazer. And yeah, I feel like this is kind of like the outfit that they meant. I mean, I could be completely wrong, like I said, but this is my little outfit. So I now need to move on to my hair. And like I said at the start, it said that a typical Aries would probably have red hair or hair with a reddish tinge to it. So I have bought myself a red hair wig. I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever tried a wig in this color. I've tried many wigs. I need to stop buying wigs, don't I? Honestly. I'm constantly buying wigs for videos. This is the one that I went for. It's just like a proper, true redhead ginger wig. I'm so excited. It's really long. Like, it's actually a little bit ridiculous. It's so long. I don't know. That's kind of the only one that I could find that looked decent quality. So it's super long. I do need to straighten it quite a bit because it's got a lot of like waves in it. And it said that a true Aries would suit straight hair. I will show you guys what it looks like in a sec. So this is what the wig looks like on. This is what I look like as Ginger Sophie, and I quite like it. I don't think it looks too bad. I think it goes quite well with the overall look. So yeah, it's an all right wig. I mean, it's not the best, but it's all right. It's very thick. I tried my best to straighten it, but it was quite difficult because it was so thick. This is what it looks like. I'll show you guys in the mirror so you can see how long it is. It's probably the longest wig. You thought my video where I had the video where I had that blonde wig, you thought that was the longest one? I think this is longer. So as you can see, it is very long, but I do think it is quite pretty. It is a pretty wig. And yeah, the only other thing I need to do is add a hat because it said that a typical Aries suits a hat. So I guess I'm gonna have to put a hat on top of it, which isn't really gonna go with the outfit because I've only got beanies or caps. But I'm just gonna have to put a black beanie on top because I mean, that's what it told me to do. I actually think it looks better with the hat. Don't you think it looks so much cooler? I feel really cool right now. This whole look is really cool. I'm really liking it. I think I found my new favorite style. I don't even know what this style is. It's not even that different to how I look normal. No, but it is. Oh, I don't know. I guess it is very different to how I normally look because obviously I don't normally look like this, but I really like it. Like, I keep saying that. You're probably sick of me saying it, but I really like it. So this is what a typical Aries looks like. I'd be so interested to know if any of you guys watching are Aries. Do you look like this? Like, imagine if this was a spitting image of some of you guys and you're Aries, then you would know that you do look like your star sign. But yeah, I guess this is the finished look. We've got the makeup, the piercing, the tattoos, the outfit, the hair. I can't think of anything else. I think that was it. I need to just try the blazer on with it. I don't know if it's gonna go. I feel like it's gonna look better without the blazer, but I'm gonna give it a try. Yeah, I prefer it without the blazer. I feel like everything goes, but then as soon as I put the blazer on, it just doesn't really go. So I'm gonna take that off. Yeah, that is much better. I just feel like the whole thing goes really nicely. Like, star signs know what they're talking about. Did my nose ring just drop? I wondered what that was that just came out of my nose. My nose ring fell out. Where on earth has it landed? Is it my hair? Wait, where has it actually gone? Okay, it's all good. I found it. I can't even remember what I was saying now. I have no idea what I was saying. I keep like putting my arm like that because I want to show off my tattoo. I don't know what I was going to say before things fell out of my nostril. Oh, I don't want to go though because I feel cool. And the next time you see me, I won't be cool again. I'll be back to Sophie. I like being true Aries Sophie. Maybe you will see her again in another video. Maybe I'll just dress like this in a random video one day and be like, surprise, she's back. Anyway, I need to go now. Bye. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. If you like how it turned out, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you very, very soon. Goodbye.